Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing this video full of fall inspiration, from decor to cooking and cleaning. I love filming during this time of the year and I love the fall season. So I really wanted to give you guys a video to inspire you and get you in the fall mood. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I love to keep the bedroom neutral and bright. I love the cream colors. I didn't really do much in here for the fall season. I just added this cute little pumpkin pillow and I thought it was perfect because it's neutral. Since the last time I filmed, we did add these beautiful drapes that I am so in love with, and they really just help elevate the room and they just look really amazing. Fall and winter is my favorite time to burn candles. Even though I burn them all throughout the year, I really love it during this time. So of course I had to light a candle to really just set the fall mood and fragrance. And this is the foyer table, and I try to do it a little bit different than I normally do. So I just added some books and candle holders, and I think it really turned out nice. And of course, a pillow fluff is always necessary, especially if you have kids and a husband and you love to lounge on the couch the way we do. We're always just lounging all over the pillows, so it's always nice to just give them a good little fluff and put them back in place. Even though they probably won't stay like that for long, it just makes me happy to do it and to see it. And this particular day was a Saturday, so you can hear the football game in the background and the kids playing and the satisfying sound of the vacuum picking up crumbs. All of that just makes me really happy. Here's an overview of how I decorated the living room this year for fall. I made the centerpiece and I think it turned out perfect, and everything is just really neutral, but it also gives off that fall vibe. So that's exactly the look that I was going for. And now making my way outside. We've been spending a lot of time out here. Really, the fall season is the perfect time to be outdoors, and we decided to spruce it up a little bit out here. So I come out here daily to water the mums. Me and Colton both like watering them, so we both try to make sure that it's getting done. And I'm so in love with the way that it looks out here. It's perfect, and it really just makes us want to spend time outdoors. We got the furniture from Castlery and we got it back in April, and this furniture has been through everything from the rain, all the weather, the sun, and as you guys can tell, it still looks really great and it's in perfect condition. I absolutely love it. And I know it's hard to find great outdoor furniture that is going to hold up through the weather, especially if you live in a place that experiences all 4 seasons like us. But Castlery creates furniture that is timeless, and they use the highest quality of raw materials to really help create pieces that are built for longevity and multi-purpose use. And because Castlery is a direct-to-consumer brand, they're able to cut out the middleman, and they're able to offer more affordable prices to their customers versus some of their competitors. So you will notice that some of their items are a little bit more affordable. They also offer free fabric swatches swatches. They have flat rate shipping and a 14-day return policy, and they also have a warranty coverage. So it's definitely worth checking them out. If you guys want to check out their outdoor furniture or anything else that they have on their site, I will have the link in the description box below. And thank you to Castlery for sponsoring this portion of the video. And of course, this is the perfect time to cook chili and soups, all of those things. So I'm gonna make a pot of chili. I'm gonna take you guys along. The recipe is really simple. So I simply start by sauteing some onions, then I add in my ground beef and I brown it. Make sure that you season your ground beef because you want to make sure that the chili has a really nice flavor. And I add in tomato sauce, chopped tomatoes, green chilies, pinto beans, I like to add in a pack of chili seasoning, and then I also add in ranch seasoning. I will have the full recipe below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. When I'm cooking, one thing I always like to do is clean as I go or clean immediately afterwards, and that really just helps the kitchen from being one big mess. We spend a lot of time in the kitchen and it's kind of a catch-all, so a lot of stuff accumulates in here and it can become a big mess really quickly. So I'm always making sure that I'm picking up in here as often as possible just to keep everything really clean and in place. And I'm gonna wipe down the countertops. I love the Mrs. Meyer sprays. They have some wonderful scents. I love the ones that they come out with during the fall season. They really just make your home smell so great. And it is a multi-surface spray, so it's gentle enough that you can use on your marble countertops and it's not gonna mess them up or ruin them. And it just leaves off a really great fragrance. And as you guys can tell, I kept the fall decor in the kitchen very simple. I just added an arrangement to the island and then a pumpkin here and there. So it's really simple. And And I let the chili simmer on low for about an hour or so, and this really just gives it time to let all the flavors just simmer together and do their thing. So yeah, I love to add avocado and cheese and Frito chips. I like to have that with my chili, and it just makes for the best fall dish. So we decided to eat outdoors this day because it's a beautiful day, and like I was telling you guys, the fall season is really the best time to be outside because the weather is so perfect. So yeah, we're enjoying our Castlery furniture, and we hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe it gave you some inspiration for the fall season. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, thank you to Castlery for sponsoring this video. I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.